replace a broken spring on a SPOMB. Simple enough. Push that through. Remove the old spring. There we go. Small drop of oil down there. A little bit round here so as not to damage it. Okay, a pair of pliers. You hold the spring gently there, just where it meets the swivel. That's all you've got to do, is gently hold that, just to give it a bit of... Then it's a gentle tap. Put that there. Gentle tap. That removes it. If you're careful, it won't damage the little ledge there. That's easily put back on. Remove the spring. It could be a bit awkward. See, now you've got some oil on there. Take that off, throw that away, and there you're ready to go again. Put that somewhere safe. I bought some quality spring wire. It's very cheap. And then you go to your template, which I've made, which I've marked it so I can cut it to size. It's quick to do. You just cut it to size. Then I've made this little contraption. You just put your wire in there. Well, you don't. You take it to there first. You mark it. Just there. As you can see, I've made the... I'll show you how to make this template another day. That goes in there. It's simple enough. Then, if you're careful, you just turn it round. That's it. Once. Twice. 3 times. Then back to there. Okay. Then it goes back to the template, which you put it on there. You then take your pen again and you do 2 marks. There and there. Now you get your pliers, you grip just past the mark, and then just turn them. You're only making the look that goes into the SPOMB. Squeeze that up, not too tight. I always leave one slightly larger, just past the mark, look, and then bend it there. I don't leave one just a little bit wider than the other. Now to make that little kink in the wire, need another set, and you just give it a little bend like that. There you have it. Same that side. There's your spring done. Now, just put it back on. Put that there for now. This can be a bit awkward, but this is what you're looking for, a nice bit of free movement. That goes on there. Put another, just a tiny dab of oil on there to help it over. Less chance of damaging it. That goes over there. Now you know when this is, because you'll hear a click when this is on. And just give it a pull. There we go. Did you hear that click? That goes round. Now I've changed mine a few times now, and it's fine. Just be careful when you do it. And you get your SPOMB, open it up. Work that one slightly wider, so you put the other one through there. Push it through there like that. Now with this one, you'll see why I've left it just a little bit wider. Can be a bit awkward, but a pair of pliers, or there you go. Just push it through there. There you go. Now this one, on that side, we go this side. This one, you can just bend that in there like this, and there we go. Ready to go. And you can change those easily on the bank, so next time they break, and you can make plenty of them. It's a better quality spring material, and away you go. Simple as that.